JDM meetup in here?
Oh, this is gay. This
JDM
is so
meetup?
gay.
Alright guys, we got the tune. What's up guys? We're joined by Ninetails and Stink Eye. And we're gonna install the front mount today. We're done with the car, we just gotta bleed it all. Install the front mount and then we could go ahead and turn it on today. So I'm very excited for that. And we're gonna see how to mount the front mount. So we're gonna figure that out. Alright guys, we got it mounted. So we drilled it in right there. We used
Just some real JDM shit right
yeah, some fucking custom fab work, you feel me?
Sheesh.
And then to mount it on the bottom, it's just those two bolts right there and right there. And this thing's not going nowhere. Look at that.
Also hammered the shit out of the middle.
Yeah, we did hammer some things. Now we're gonna start figuring out the piping, guys, and we'll catch you guys when we start doing that. Alright guys, I'm gonna prime it to see which one is the feed because I was not sure. But we got most of the piping done, just that piece. But we need to move my regulator because it is in the way. So other than that, that's the piping. So it's that bend and the longest pipe you get that goes straight up and this way. And there's like a middle piece under the intake and the top piece to the throttle body. And that's where the blow off valve goes. Looking nice. We're about to turn on to see if she primes, see which one shoots out gas. Which one shoots out? Was it a lot?
I didn't see anything.
Are you recording?
The bottom one.
Bottom one? Good job, Miggy. Alright guys, so the return is going to be the gray white and then the feed is going to be the black on the bottom. So now that we have that, the return going right here through the return from the fuel pressure regulator to the ethanol sensor. Now we have the feed going right here to the T that goes right there. So now we have fueling completely done now. So now all we need to do is just move the regulator, connect this charge pipe, and then we should be able to turn it on. But first, Oscar, can you record again? I'm gonna crank it again and keep priming it. And then see if we see any leaks anywhere. What? Oh, any leaks anywhere?
Nope, good.
See under the car. Nope, I don't see any leaks. All right, let's add some coolant. All right, guys, we have everything installed, all tightened down. We got everything. Little reservoir right there. All the charge piping is on and tightened down. Now it's time to prime it a little bit more, and then we're gonna start it. All right, guys, we're loading the new tune. This is gonna be my base map right now until I get pro tuned. So it's gonna be loading. This is the new head unit, by the way. I didn't get to record it. Sorry for the flare, guys. My lens is broken. But yeah, loading the new tune. And we're gonna roll it out and start it. This day will be in remembrance. We got Miggy, Joe, Alex, Nick, Mario, Oscar, the crew over here. I'm about to start this bitch. All right, guys, we got the tune. There it is. About to start it. All right, guys, we're here. We're about to start it. Special guest. With the mechanic, he's about to overview it. Bader Built, part 2. All right, who wants to record it? Cameraman?
I suppose.
Honestly, how loud?
From
Behind from right here, he wants to record.
Are you gonna start it in the garage?
Well, yeah, where else?
I thought he was gonna roll it.
Alex, can I blow up?
Reasonably.
guys. You keep recording? Yeah, 2,000.
How much?
2.5. Hold up.
Yeah, let me know.
Go. Fuck. Guys, this shit's too loud. Looks like I have to look for new exhaust options because
Fucking loud.
Listen to the blow off valve.
Yeah, that sounds dope.
No, dude.
So dope. Oh shit. Bruh.
No, that shit's too. That shit's.
Hella
Is it in limp
loud.
mode right now?
Huh?
Is it in limp
I
mode?
think it's in limp mode. You feel it jerking?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let Alex drive it. Like it's like hesitating, but it's still learning. So I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
But I could have a boost lead. That could be a boost lead. I don't know. I'm gonna let him drive it. Alright, you get some. Record him. Alright, guys. So now we're just gonna start tightening everything up. Make sure there's no leaks. Not gonna be driving far anywhere. This is just to run, just to see everything's running well, and if I have any leaks. And now that we have that, I'm gonna be working on it a different day. Now I'm gonna be helping Oscar install his exhaust. So yeah, this is how the piping goes, guys. I never give you a good look, but it's gonna need adjusting for sure because this needs to go lower. This whole thing needs to go lower, and I need to adjust that. Alright guys, now we're cutting up the bumper because we gotta put them
God damn.
If you want to, but you don't have to. You unbolt it from there and unbolt it from here. It'll come off like that. Instead of taking the whole part, that tape pipe. I'm not sure. This is just not coming off.
He's gonna start it with the exhaust off, guys.
Open header.
I was cutting up the bumper too.
What the fuck?
Aw, cute little thing.
Oh, quiet.
Look at the bumper, guys. Alright, bring the bond.
What are you guys doing?
I can play delete.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're gonna see how it looks down there. Because apparently it works. It looks worse with the less spit off.
Really? Why?
They fucked that shit up. What?
How?
Hella drilled into it.
Miggy?
I just.
Bro, where's the gun at?
What the fuck?
Impact or what? Where's the Milwaukee?
Shit's rust. There you come, you're ready.
Fuck. Dude, yeah. Just so wet. Still build, still build. Fucking sick. It's just so fat. Fucking dope, bruh. Fucking sick, yeah.
He's already eating shit. Move it out of the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. fit your front end?
Sheesh.
Legs too, eh?
Goals. Honestly.
Look, we did.
Hey, we're everyday traffic though.
For speed in real life.
We're everyday traffic.
Sheesh. The boys putting in work over here. Alex and Oscar. Alex came to visit and he ended up working on cars. Look at that fat cock. Oh, whoa, whoa. What are you doing over here?
I'm just messing with his toys.
Hey, man. These toys are off
Just
limits.
looking for these knickknacks, that's all.
What knick-knack are you looking for?
Deep socket 10.
Deep socket 10?
Yeah, I found one, but
Oh,
who
man.
uses
get that.
one this
I got an
small,
adapter.
huh?
Come over here. Come over
You
here.
do?
Yeah. About time he takes off his front plate. This fucking guy, man. Jeez. Bye-bye bumper. Look at all these guys that I cut. Hey, recording?
Oh, guys, RIP the bumper. That shit's.
Yeah? Hey. All right.
Go to the front?
JDM meetup in here?
Oh, this is gay.
JDM meetup?
meetup, bro.
Alex in there? Hey, that's how you save energy right there. Save the water. Yeah.
Me.
Tell him.
Yes, 95 and 99. Orders are ready. 95 and 99.
Bro, just go.
Remember this?
Go, Mickey. Alright guys, that's it for this episode for the front mount. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. All the subies. Yeah, JDM Teens. Stay tuned, guys. A lot of more content coming. Sheesh. Sheesh. We gotta do a little update on this car. Little baller. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see. Sheesh.